In this video, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can help you to double your income. Before we start, I have a question for you. Imagine you had a friend who never sleeps, works 24/7, and has the potential to earn you thousands of dollars every month. Would you say yes to such a friend? Well, I've got good news for you. This friend exists, and its name is ChatGPT. So let's dive right in. But wait, before we move forward, allow me to ask you another question. Are you ready to join the AI revolution and discover how ChatGPT can skyrocket your earnings? If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means everything to us. So how can ChatGPT double your income? The possibilities are endless. Let's explore 7 proven ways to make it happen. First, pick a niche. What will you focus on? There are 5 popular options. Number 1, freelancing. For example, writing, graphic design, or coding. Number 2, social media packs. Create content packages for businesses. Number 3, CV services. Help people create professional resumes and cover letters. Number 4, small business chatbots. Offer AI-powered customer service solutions. Or number 5, digital products like prompt packs, eBooks, or templates. Think about what you enjoy and what the market demands. You can also use ChatGPT to get more ideas. Here's an example prompt for you. What are 5 profitable niches for AI services? Once you choose your niche, it's time to take action. Spend some time on Fiverr or Upwork to understand what others are selling and how much they're charging. Then create a simple offer based on your skills and experience. For example, 5 Instagram captions plus 1 video script, $15, or landing page copy, $50. Keep it small and attractive so people are enticed to buy. Next, build a sample portfolio with ChatGPT. Create 2 to 3 samples of your service using ChatGPT. It could be a blog intro, social post, or resume. Show these samples in your gig to give potential customers a taste of what you can do. Here's an example prompt you can use. Write a 150-word Instagram caption for a small bakery promoting a new chocolate cake. Include 3 hashtags and a call to action. Order now. Tone: friendly, local. Once you have your samples ready, it's time to list and sell your service. Post your gig on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, or even Instagram. Here's an example prompt to help you get started. Create a Fiverr gig description for 30 social media captions in 48 hours. Highlight fast delivery, revisions, and sample work. And voila, your gig is ready. Now, when customers start placing orders, it's time to deliver. But don't worry, ChatGPT has your back. Use the service to prepare the content, and then add your personal touch by editing it for tone, accuracy, and style. Always remember to fact-check and customize the content for each client. This way you'll provide a unique and valuable service that keeps customers coming back for more. Once you've delivered an outstanding project, it's time to upsell. Suggest additional services like a monthly content plan or AI chatbot setup to help your client further. Also, save your best prompts as templates to speed up your delivery time. Later, you can automate most of the process with tools like Zapier or Make to cut down on manual work. As your skills grow, think about productizing your service. Turn your skills into products like prompt packs, eBooks, or subscription services for $9 a month. As demand rises, you can hire freelancers to help you deliver your services faster. Alternatively, you can sell digital templates on platforms like Etsy to create passive income. And there you have it. Now you know how ChatGPT can be your ticket to financial success. Remember, ChatGPT is your turbo engine. However, the results come only if you take action. So which offer will you launch first? Let me know in the comments below. And for more AI tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep leveling up with AI.